Hello, everybody. This video is for our all virtual students for second semester of 2021. So welcome to class. If you are new to class, this video is more for you because if you've already had me before, it's kind of the same routine. And I just want to make sure that I kind of ease any anxiety that you might have about the class, especially because we're not really going to be talking until Wednesday, of which at that point I will need you to come in kind of at your convenience between 9 o'clock um, and 1:30 probably. I probably can have you come in after that if you need to, probably up until maybe 4 o'clock, but then I probably have to head out at that point. Um, and if that doesn't work out, you need to come before 9 o'clock. Just kind of let me know because I need you to come here because I need to give you your supplies, and I want to meet you in person just once. And your supplies are inside of a cubby. And when you get your artwork back if you've turned it in and we have put it around the school, we get it back. I'm going to put your artwork in your cubby. So then if you need to come here to get supplies or you're transitioning to fourth quarter, you can look in your cubby and see if you have any mail, kind of a thing. So that's why I need you to come in. And for some of our more advanced students, I want to kind of explain, if I have time, a little bit more about the supplies that you have, or we could even kind of go through it if you want to, if there isn't a line. So looking at this, when you click on, this is painting one, but if you're in drawing one, it's the same layout. So the first thing, the thing on the very top is always what you are supposed to do. And I call them directions and calendar. So our first thing in our painting class, it says painting supply checkout. And in all honesty, this is the only place you ever need to go. We will, after this Wednesday and maybe even after next Wednesday, we'll be having a 5-minute conference that you'll have to sign up, and that'll be your permanent time slot for me to just kind of see where you're at, making sure you're keeping up in class and answer any quick questions. That Zoom link is right down at the bottom, but the email that I send out will always be there. So in all honesty, this link right here is probably the only one you will ever have to use, because if I click on it, it's just a hyperlink to a Google Doc. And in this Google Doc, it tells you step one, watch the video explaining what you have for art supplies that are being checked out to you. You come over here, you click that. And when you watch that video, it'll show you what you need to actually do for the piece. Because we are moving from one quarter to another quarter, sometimes these links won't work because I had to switch them out. So please, if something doesn't make sense, just kind of let me know. But you do step one, then you do step two, then you do step three, then you do step four. And then right here it says recommended schedule. This is not required except for the last date. Well, in this one, due by January 22nd is the last date. So your first assignment is to post on the discussion board, take a photo of your taped tube and post on the discussion board, include the number you are assigned. This is the number on all your supplies. This is a graded assignment. So you would go to, over here, it'll take you to the discussion board in Schoology, and you do your normal thing. You can take a picture, you insert it there, show me that you actually did the assignment. You get 10 points, and you tell me what number you are. And then that's your first assignment. So let's do this Friday. That's why it's important that you come in Wednesday to kind of pick up your supplies. Okay. Other than that, I just want to make sure that you understand that when you log into Schoology, this is really the only thing you ever need to look at. This is all unpublished. You're not going to see that. This is the Art Toolbox, and that just houses the things that might be referenced in here. So it's just a folder that'll be there. You can look over the classroom expectations, rules, and routines, stuff like that if you want to. Otherwise, again, just kind of shoot me an email. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.